Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video we are going to talk about principles of design and how these can be applied for any visual design. And finally we are going to talk about principles of design because I told in many of my videos and now we are doing it. And this is especially I am doing for Nata aspirants who are attempting the giving their third attempt or third paper, which is on September 3. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you haven't watched my last video on the Nata preparation, how to solve plan-based questions, please go and check out that, where I have told how you can solve it. And that's the reason I'm doing this video. But this video holds good for any sort of design, not only for architectural design. Yes, I'm giving you example of architectural design as well in this, but this holds good for web designing, interior designing, UX UI design, UI design, app designing, if you're designing or designing an app, and graphic designers, especially prominent feature of the graphic design, principles of design. And any design you say, any visual design, that this one holds good for that. Fashion design as well, of course, because that is also visual design, you see through it. So fashion, communication, all these things have multimedia design. Yes, of course, every design, anything you can view, you have these principles applied in a good design. Let's see what are those. Okay, so these things change with the elements of the design of whichever you are doing. When I'm talking about graphic design, I combine these principles with the graphic design elements. When I talk about web designing, I combine these with the web designing elements. Yeah, they are very similar to graphic design elements. Then when I talk it for architecture, I combine with the elements of architecture. When I talk it for interior design, I combine with the elements of interior design. So principles remain changed, the elements which are there are going to change, and that makes difference in design. So, and it becomes principle of that design. Okay, and we will talk particularly when I talk about interior design and graphic design particularly. And today's video, because I'm doing it for my Nata aspirants, I'll try to take maximum example of architecture. And if you are new to my channel, I make content regarding all these design fields and design exams, design careers, and how you can earn from creative fields. So if you are interested in it, please hit that subscribe button. Please switch on your notification button, that bell icon, and welcome to our design community. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. And the Nata students, if you are watching this, please go and check out my old video on how to solve any plan-based question, and this one is first video for that. I will be making few more videos through which you can understand. And this whatever I am telling you will come in the theory of architecture part of design of your paper. So there will be many questions from this on which you have doubts, especially plan-based questions, or the questions which you get on the paintings and all, with the multiple select options. You can solve that with these design principles, having idea about what these design principles are. So there are these basic design principles which are used in every design. First one is unity and variety. I'll tell about these, what exactly are they, how exactly do they work in coming videos. And then there is balance, then there is hierarchy, then there is contrast, then there is emphasis, then there is scale and proportion, then there is repetition. So if you, let's see what are those, I told in a while, and understand them. So unity and variety, the image which you are seeing on the left side is showing unity in same color, and it is showing variety in different sizes. So there is something similar, there is something which is in difference. Whatever is in similar comes in unity, whatever is in different but it has some similarity within it, it comes under variety. So here everything color shape, size is same, but you have variety of colors. this can be best explained, like the best way to explain this is ask any woman, including me, okay? When we go to especially any clothes store, or most importantly when we go to a sari store, we will be like, can you show us same design in different color? Same design is unity, different color is variety. Can you show us same color sari with the different design? Same color is unity, different design is variety. So got the point? So check with this, if option has that option in unity, most of the design follow unity theory, okay? And there will be little bit of variety as well in the given composition. Composition can be architectural composition can be a painting as well, or composition can be a drawing, image, sketch, whatever is given in your question, okay? Then let's talk about balance. By balance I don't mean everything has to be same in one thing. This is the example I will give for all the designs. So first one is like, just think about there is a apartment which has these each square blocks, like my A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what is this building plan is doing with me? It's completely symmetrical. Okay, and it is symmetrical and there is a huge line in it. This will also become one of the, if your examiner give this kind of plan, there is a datum in it. We will I'll tell you about datum in the next upcoming videos, but whenever there is symmetry, there is either axis or there is datum in the design, okay? Remember this. And symmetrical balance happens with usually with the axis, okay? And second one, where I have balanced a big block with two smaller blocks, you can think about it. So this one is asymmetrical balance. In third one, this is the example for any web designers, okay? Even first one can be example for web designers, but here I have just think you open the app where for example you open the YouTube, and one side I have all the images are there, and next to it it's its title and everything is given, right? So there is a symmetry in it, though they are two different things, but it is symmetry. Sometimes what happens, a lamp post can be balanced with the help of tree on the other side. So no need everything should be same on each side. It's not, even there will be a asymmetrical balance, okay? Hope I cleared you this one. So next one is hierarchy. Hierarchy is making something larger in size and all. For example, when you read the newspaper, the headline will be the top most of it, or when you open the app or anything, the first one is the bigger one, next things will be smaller. The order of importance is shown with the weightage with the text, making the text larger or making that image larger. For example, banners on the any YouTube channel will be larger when compared to other things, right? So this will work in architecture as well. See here, the image given on the other side, it doesn't have the hierarchy. The image given on the left side is not a example for hierarchy. I'm just differentiating without hierarchy with hierarchy. Then next one is contrast. Contrast can be even again best understood with the help of your styling, fashion sense. For example, though your entire dress looks good, it won't be of same color, no, every time. If you wear a cream color pant, you will wear a different color shirt, and you try to contrast with it, right? Like something different in the outfit, different colors, you make it by that. And contrast can also happen with using two different type of shapes, but they will be well balanced using different sizes and proportion. Even with that, contrast is done. So this is another design principle. For example, just think if you have a building in white color and you have a building in black color, which is like very huge, but they both are buildings within the same thing. Like for example, they are the buildings of a same, the entire building is one, but the structure is different, the color is different. So it's like that. For example, campuses and all. Then emphasis is giving importance. What's catching your eyes in three of these images? In the first image, what's catching your eyes, where you're, it's like giving focal point, it's just giving more important point in the design. For example, in the first, it won't go to the center. First your eye will go to that tilted, what it will go to, it will look at the rhombus, right? At least my eyes will look. If yours look different, I don't know. So this is giving importance to that block. Then here I have given different color to one. Your eye will directly go to that. In the third one, I have given focal point at the center, and I have given higher importance with this different, making a element in a different size, right? So my center block is bigger one, you can think about that. Okay, by block I mean you can think it as a building, because I'm giving you example with the term of architecture, but it happens in any design, as I'm saying. Then there is scale and proportion, like they will be given different sizes. There will be building which are of all in different size and all. So this is a important part of design. You will get to see it in your images as well. Last one but not least one is repetition. There have been many incidents where repetition was given as an option in your Nata exam. So repetition is, there is something, some element is continuously repeating in it, repeating in the image or given building or given design. Okay, in the first image, see that C-shaped design and design within it is repeating continuously. In the second one, the wave form is repeating continuously. Then in the third one, just you can take this as a building elevation, and each those your rectangles and huge columns, the glazing of the windows, you can see they are repeating, right? I'm giving you in term of architectural example. Okay, so these are the principles of design, and these hold good for any design, not only architecture, not only painting, any visual design. These all principles hold good, and a good design always has a balance in it. Okay, always remember this. Okay, always has a unity in it. Okay, chalo, hope you guys are satisfied with the video. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, and wait for my upcoming video. In case of any doubt, please ask me in the comment section or mail me on my mail ID.